So earlier I had these springs in there in an attempt to make this a spring switch so I could run a train through it whichever way and not derail and have it just go right back the way it was. But that ain't working out too well just because the springs are not strong enough to push this back. So either need stronger springs or rethink to make this super easy to slide back and forth. So I put some pieces of pipe in there just to be spacers for now until I figure this part out, because I would like to get as much of this done today as possible, which the next spot is making a handle and a way for this to lock in. So, but at this point, just taking this random piece of flat bar, it mostly works. So yeah, now I just need a real legit handle. Let's see what this pipe is. This pipe might actually be pretty good. It's a little bit wide for this, which I wanted a solid piece anyway, but you get the idea. I could weld something onto there. It actually is about the perfect length. Pretty good illustration, ain't it? Why you can't run through a switch without derailing. Even this light little cart won't push it. Oops.